Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds.
David Attenborough once said, "No one will protect what they don't care about, and no one will care about what they have never experienced." Unprecedented financial constraints on schools and families have had a significant impact on out-of-school learning experiences for our children. So, how can you keep children engaged from inside the classroom? We present STEMLive, Lessons Without Limits, a series of curriculum-aligned live lessons where children can virtually meet and interact with leading STEM specialists in their field. From robot farming technology in Shropshire to minus 20-degree freezers at British Antarctic Survey, we're taking children to places they would never usually be able to visit. And you can join us for free for our next live lessons from SaxaVord Spaceport, where we will be learning about all things space. Sound like fun? We look forward to seeing you there, Space Cadets.